I come to you today with a heavy heart. We need to discuss a pretty serious matter. A matter in which involves you. You see, recently I asked my community on the community tab of my YouTube channel, which you would see if you're subscribed, how often do you post a YouTube short? Some of you said you post one pretty much every day. Others said 2 to 3 times a week you'll post a YouTube short. And then the large majority of you said you don't post YouTube shorts at all. Now, if there's one thing that I've stressed, literally just one thing I've stressed this entire time when people come to me, they're in my YouTube comments, my live streams, ask, how do you grow? Man, you've grown so much over the past month or a few weeks. How have you done it? Usually my answer is YouTube shorts. So if you're someone who's asked me in the past, how have you grown? I've answered YouTube shorts, and then you answered on that poll that you don't post shorts, well then let me try and help you in this video. Get it through your skull. Post YouTube shorts. It's not just me that wants you to do it. It's also YouTube. They tweet about it every single day. If you don't believe me, let's look. Let's search up YouTube real quick. YouTube. It doesn't take much to scroll down and see. Just yesterday, all you have to do is tap the create button to make a short. It's that easy. And I can confirm it is that easy. Now we'll scroll down a little bit more till we find their next post about a short. Oh, we're already here. ... And I can't stress enough. Shorts. Go down a little bit further till we find another post about a shorts, because I do it pretty much every single day. Boom! Shorts are an art form. Who's creating masterpieces? Guys, YouTube themselves are giving you the secret sauce on how to create a brand. Get eyes on your content on your channel. If you're streaming as well, get eyes to your stream, especially if you're streaming on YouTube, as I am. Should check out. YouTube themselves are telling you post shorts, because right now YouTube shorts is in a state where pretty much everybody's eating, bro. Now, I know it's one thing for me to share words and show you words from YouTube themselves, which I think is convincing enough, but let me show you some examples of shorts I have posted in the past and somewhat recently, as well as an example of someone who has also reached out to me and said, hey, I took your advice. I posted shorts like you said. Here's the results. And here we go. Here's a first example. I got 27,000 views, almost 28,000 views on this short. And it really wasn't that hard of a short to make. I just collected a bunch of hot mics or death comms from when I was playing Warzone and Rebirth Island. And people love to hear that kind of stuff because a lot of people rage, get angry. It's funny. People like it. Simple video to make, nothing flashy. 28,000 views, 28,000 new eyeballs on my channel and my content. And it gained me 25 plus subscribers. On to the next one, shall we? Boom! 470,000 views on this one. I did not know this was second. I wanted to save it for last because it was the juiciest, but here we are. This has gotten me almost 350 subscribers on this short alone. Again, this video was nothing flashy, nothing crazy. It was just me. I didn't even talk the whole time, pretty much. There was just a guy who was raging on my team, yelling at another one of my teammates. I took pieces of it, posted it, people loved it. Now, as you can see, I did post a specific thumbnail with this short. You don't have to create a thumbnail for shorts for them to do well, as you saw the one before with the death comms. I didn't make a thumbnail for this one. It still got a lot of views, but as you can see with this one, I didn't make a thumbnail. There are still other ways for people to see shorts, not through the shorts feed, but through the Discover tab and just on the home page of YouTube. So this probably caught some people's attention as well. So there is a possibility that me creating a thumbnail for this, an eye-catching one, also helped it get more views. But you can see in the statistics, 70% of the views came from the shorts feed. So there still was a decent amount of views that came from outside of that shorts feed. But at the end of the day, I don't think posting a thumbnail with your short is absolutely crucial to it getting views. But I digress. Let's go on to the next video. I would consider this a lower amount of views for some of my videos, and it got me 8,000 views. That's still 4 times the amount of subscribers I have at the time of recording this. and it got me 33 subscribers, which if we go back to this one that has 28,000 views, that only got me 25 subscribers. So a fraction of the views got me more subscribers, so you never know what can happen with any video that you post. Next one, 42,000 views, 232 subscribers have come from this video. I'm sure you can tell now when I say, hey, how did you get so many subscribers in such a short amount of time? Proof's in the pudding. It's right here. I posted some shorts. They did really well. This got 42,000 views, no thumbnail, and a whole bunch of people wanted to be my friends. They might want to be your friends if you post them. So another example. 17.9 thousand views. Let's call it 18,000, shall we? Just because it sounds better. 14 subscribers. You know, as a subscriber count, you know, we didn't get as many as other videos, but still, 18,000 new eyeballs on my content. And if people have seen your videos at least once, they're likely to see it again. And the last example, let's show you 23,000 views, 8 new subscribers. But we saw a video with only 8,000 views get me 30 plus subscribers. So like I said, you never know what will come of each short. So at the end of the day, I still got 23,000 views. And like I said just before, someone sees your content once, they've clicked on one of your videos once, they're likely to get suggested your content again. So don't get too discouraged if in the beginning you see a lower subscriber count like this, because like I just showed you in the 8,000 view video, I got 33 plus subscribers. Obviously it can go up from there. 232 subscribers, 340 subscribers. And I honestly didn't think this video was gonna blow up like it did. I'm glad I posted it. And as promised, I told you I would show you an example of someone who sent me, DM me on Discord, which if you haven't joined our Discord yet, links in the description down below, sent me a personal message about a short that he created. And as you can see, it got him a whopping 18,000 views and it helped him get to his 400 sub goal he had at the time. And he also sent me an update saying that it went from 18,000 to 20,000 views. And there's other people within my community just like this person who have reached out to me, showed me shorts that they posted that have been super successful, gained them a lot of traction, helped them reach some goals that they've had. And to this day, they're still posting shorts and seeing success. So what's the point of me sharing this video with you guys? Seeing some of my past videos, you know I've already talked about this in the past. The majority of you aren't posting them still. And as of today, YouTube is still posting themselves about how you should be taking advantage of this feature, much like a TikTok used to be. I used to have really good success on TikTok. There was a time in the beginning of TikTok where I was posting a good amount, posting what I felt like was good content, getting a lot of traction on his videos, especially for having almost no followers, and got my way up to almost 10,000 followers. And then recently, now that everyone's caught wind of this, everyone's using TikTok, the algorithm doesn't favor just any new user anymore. My views have gone way down. I barely get any views at all compared to what YouTube Shorts provides me right now. That's why I'm saying it's important. Join the bandwagon. Yes, the bandwagon. I know that's looked down upon to join a bandwagon, but in this case, it's going to help you greatly. Get on the YouTube Shorts bandwagon. You'll be thankful that you did. Now, if you guys are interested in how to create a YouTube short, make it engaging, get views, retain the audience attention, all that good stuff, I have a video that I've already made about all that stuff coming from a professional videographer / video editor myself. I worked for a few different marketing companies if you did not know. So I know my ways around editing software. I know how to create engaging content and make sure people stick around and get you potentially almost 500,000 views. So this video is pretty much over. I highly encourage you guys to go and check out that video right now, please and thank you. You'll be glad you did. And past that, that's all I have for this one. Go make some shorts right now. I'll catch you next one.